Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make mutton curry which will be very spicy, delicious and tasty to eat. So I will show you the ingredients what I am going to use now. That is 1.5 kilo mutton, onions about 6 to 7 sliced up, jeera and pepper paste, ginger garlic paste, salt, saffron, mustard oil because I use mustard oil, garam masala, red chilies dried up, some cardamom, cloves, cumin seeds and bay leaves. All these ingredients I am going to use now. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe, like, comment, share. So come on, let us start the recipe right now. I will put the oil. First I will fry half the onions and take it out. Onions are turned brown, deep brown. Now I will take it out. Keep the fried onions aside. Before making the mutton curry, I will use little bit of hing, that is asafoetida, for the meat to cook nicely. So much of hing I am using. When the hing cooks up in the oil, then I will put the other half of onions and fry the onions. I'll put the bay leaves, the cloves, the cardamom, red chilies, and let it fry it, and put some cumin seeds also. The onions are turned almost brown. Now I will put in the mutton. In the salt. Cover the meat and let it cook. Now I will put in the ginger garlic paste. Now I will put the saffron, chili powder, and the jeera and pepper paste. Let the masala cook with the meat. Masalas are turned brown with the mutton, with the meat. Now I will add some water and let the meat cook for at least half an hour till it turns nice and soft. Then I will do the next step. Last of all, you can use the cooker also, pressure cooker, but I'm using the karai, so it will take little time. Last of all, now I will add in the fried onions. Then I will put one big chopped tomato. Then I will put the garam masala. Then I will add little bit of hot water and let it cook for 10 minutes. Delicious, tasty, spicy mutton curry is ready to be eaten. Thank you.